Hi everybody, my name is Colt McCormick and I'm here today to show you a quick teaching video for how to play the song King of California, Dave Alvin style in Clawhammer Banjo. So let's jump right in. It's not a very hard song to play, it's pretty straightforward. We're capoed at 2nd fret playing out of the C position. Not many chords either, it's just C, F, G, E minor, and A minor. So should be pretty good. I have included tabs for this video, so I'm not going to go super in depth on what I'm doing with this hand or anything. I'm just going to zoom in on this hand and play it really slow for you to have a reference point. So real quick, I'm actually going to play the song on YouTube and play along with it so y'all can have a quick performance demo, and then I will slow it down and break it down for you. Alright, here we go. Kitty's outside. Starting with that G. Alrighty, anyway, so that's enough of that. So basically, and as y'all can tell, I'm probably not the greatest clawhammer banjo player in the world. I'm originally a 3-finger guy, but I can get around a little bit with some clawhammers. It's fun. But anyway, so for that, this whole song's premise, it just has that little instrumental opening. So you do that little... That plays twice at the beginning of the song, and then it goes straight into the verse. And then at the end of each verse, it plays that once to turn around. So that's all there really is to it. So I'm going to zoom in on this hand now. And, well, this hand. And let y'all get a better look. I'm going to play it a little slower. Bear with me. I don't sing the greatest, but I'm going to try and sing a little bit for reference. Okay, here we go. So all we're doing for this opening is C and A minor. So the difference between that is from here, we're just covering this string too. So I'm just playing it with my middle finger. I'm getting both with that. Here we go. So the intro goes as such. Alright, so that's the turnaround. You're going to do that twice, and that goes straight into this verse, which goes as such. I left my home and one true love east of the Ohio River. Her father said we'd never wed, for I had not the gold or silver. Darling dear, so we're going to that E minor. My darling dear, shed no tears. So just an F chord here. For I think it's fair to warn ya. To an F. For I'll return to claim your hand. To that A minor. Now we're going to an E minor as the King of California. Then it plays that little musical riff again. Then it goes right back into the verse again. So that's really basically it. It just repeats those two elements over and over again for the whole song. I mean, it's very nice and it's pretty, but it's really not that hard, so it's wonderful. So I'll do that last verse. I'm going to do it over one more time, and I'm going to do it really slow, and I'm not going to sing it all. I'm just going to let it focus on the banjo, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed. So just for a quick recap too, as far as tabs go, I included the basic melody. So just if he was singing, that's what I tabbed out. So there's a lot of space between that though, but you're really not doing anything fancy or special. All you're doing between them verses is just playing the chord. So So you're just playing whatever chord it's on while you're waiting for that, then it goes right back to the verse again. So really simple song, lots of fun, sounds great. Hope you all enjoyed. I hope I could help you out. Let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to get the tabs because that's where it's at. All right, y'all have a good day. Thank you.